Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I want to show you these new threader earrings that we've gotten in. These are stainless steel and we have them in two colors. These are the 18 karat plated gold stainless ones, and then we also have them in the natural silver color. And they're super easy to make earrings with. So what you want to do is these have a 4mm jump ring on the side. You want to take your pair of pliers and you want to put it on one side of where the jump ring opens and put your pair of pliers on the other side. And then you just want to gently twist that open. And once you have that open, you can put your bezel or your bead or whatever you'd like onto your jump ring. And then you're going to take your pliers back and you're going to twist it into place. And that's all you have to do to create these simple, beautiful earrings. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.